Alright, so hopefully everybody has a yardstick like this. Put it on the edge of your paper, and notice I got this long ways like this. Alright, I think we all have the same yardsticks except the people that grab the T-squares. Who grabbed the T-squares? They still work. It's just that it's different. Just look for the. Hopefully you can use rulers. I think there's 3 of you that have, or 2 of you that have a T-square. Anyways, we're gonna make a 1/2-inch border. So, and it's amazing how many students your age don't know what a 1/2 inch is. So I'm pointing it out, and I know that some of you might seem I'm being condescending. I'm being dead serious. There's probably like 40% of you that don't know that this is 1/2 inch right here. Isn't it? I'm not saying this because you're stupid. I'm just saying 18 years of doing this, I do this. There's guaranteed there's going to be 2 people that screw it up. So make sure you watch what I'm doing. I'm putting the edge of the ruler against the edge of the paper. This is a 1/2 inch. I'm going to make a little line right there. So go ahead and do that. Why don't you do this? Alright, now look. After you do that, it's right there. Scroll down here. I'm going to put it down like this. Make another little mark right there. There's an old adage, you measure twice, cut once. You guys ever heard that carpentry thing? Anybody? No? That's an old people saying. But it's true. I measured twice, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up that point with down here, that point. This is where it takes your hand-eye coordination. Now I know some of you play Fortnite, so you have amazing hand-eye coordination, so there should be no problem connecting these 2 dots. Now look, you're going to do it very, very lightly. I'm not hammer fisting it. Very light. There's my line, you can see it. Big, nice straight line. Alright, you with me so far, right? Now we're going to turn the paper so it's like this, straight up and down. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Going to put the edge of my ruler, measure out 1/2 inch. This is 1 inch, that's a 1/2 inch. Make a little mark. I'm going to make it right. You see where I made it right on that line? Right there. Now I'll go down here, do the same thing. And then you're going to connect those. I think you guys are getting the idea. So far I have a beautiful 1/2 inch border on 2 sides. Now I'm going to do this side, do the same thing. At the edge of the paper, measure out 1/2 inch. Come down here, do the same thing. then lastly, do the last side. So if you look, after I do all four sides, I do nice and slow around all four sides, you'll see the border is all 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Now if you have if you have any stuff in your box right there, go ahead and erase that so it's a nice clean border. See? Nothing right there. You have to erase this right here. Same thing right there. Make sure your corners are nice and clean. Who still needs more time? Not going to call anybody out. Some of you, your lines are a bit thick. Remember, you put your edge of your ruler, it should start with 1. A little mark at the 1/2 inch, 1 there, and then 1 down here somewhere, and then connect the 2 points. Alright, it's a long ways. It's a long ways this way. Put your yardstick, the edge, yet again, and notice I'm up close to that line that you drew. Alright, so really? Starts right there. You go 9 inches and make a little mark right there on that line where 9 inches is. And then do the same thing down here. That right there. One mark. So I have 2 marks. One there. One right there. Now I'm going to connect them. Notice I didn't go up in the border, I stopped right on the line. Alright, you still need more time for that. Okay, now the next step, turn it this way. It's long ways. And since this is 12 inches wide. I zoom in right here on the edge. Make a little line at 6. Do the same thing down here. And then you connect those two. That's what it should look like. 1/2 inch border, 4 equal squares, almost looks like a window pane.